Women's College. On 13th Jan, our Department of BCA, Bachelors of Computer Application, had organized a guest lecture on the topic of numerical methods, in which the guest lecturer, Ms. Priyanka Mahadik, taught us about Taylor series. She started with the basic introduction of derivatives and later continued with the Taylor series formula and few solved. Her whole session was so interactive that we understood the concept very effectively. She also cleared our doubt at the end. Henceforth, her session was very helpful. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Siddhi, the eldest student of SPN Doshi Women's College. I would like to inform you about an online guest lecture organized by our BC department on 18th, 20th and 22nd January on Java programming, in which Rashmi Jolly ma'am has explained us the concept of inheritance, polymorphism, method overriding, method overloading and packages with real life example. At the end of every session, she has cleared our doubts. I think it was an informative as well as an interactive session. I would like to thank Rashmi Jolly ma'am as well as our BCA department for organizing such a well structured and interesting guest lecture. Thank you.